our CFA for all the construct. Okay, confirmatory factor analysis for all the constructs. In our case, we have three independent variables: wage, welfare, and fringe benefits. Then we have the job satisfaction is our mediating variable, and our dependent variable is performance. So we shall do all the CFA for all the constructs. Okay. So here how to create, we shall create a CFA template first, then we shall use that same template for our all the variables: CFA for wage, CFA for welfare benefits, CFA for fringe benefits, and CFA for satisfaction and performance. So how to create this? Draw path diagram with one latent variable. This round shape is called oval latent object, and 7 indicators, and reflect the indicators. Select data file, change object properties, set interface properties, page layout, color, decimal places. Then skip list variables in data set, paste fit indexes commands, and set analysis properties, minimization history, standardized estimates, squared multiple correlation, and modification indexes. Save the files as CFA template. Actually, if you are missing anything, if you follow during the practices at your home, the presentation slide that I have provided you, if you use the same one, today you will practice with me, and for further practice at your home, if you follow my lecture slide, that will help you a lot for creating template and all the analysis process. So CFA for wage, how to create the CFA for the open the CFA template and save as CFA wage, and we will do it inshallah very soon. So okay, are you ready everyone for doing the exercise inshallah?
Yes, we are ready.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Okay, mashallah. Okay, okay, just I have given you the workshop materials. Please take those, download that one and take it to the any local drive or in your in your local drive, and unzip that folder. And initially you just open your AMOS graphics. Please, if you go, if it is not in your background or desktop, you can just here click here the AMOS. If you write here AMOS graphics, then this one you will open AMOS graphics. Just click on that one. Then this software will open. Okay. Okay. Have you opened this one?
Yes, we are ready, sir.
Okay,
Yes, you can.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the interface where you see the white color in the middle. Okay. This is the workspace where we will draw our model. So we can increase this space or workspace, or so how can we do it? So everybody please go to the view text, view here, click over view. Everybody please follow me.
Yes, we are with you.
Okay. Then go to interface properties.
Prof,
Click on
Prof,
there.
they are too fast.
No. I shall show you again. Did you open, everybody?
Not
Open
all,
the
sir,
AMOS
but no
graphics.
problem.
Hmm?
Not all.
But let's move. No problem.
Okay.
I had issue with the installation since yesterday.
Okay, you can solve it through from your local expert in
Yes.
installation, and then you can go through my video and follow the step by step procedure that will help you to learn
It's
the
actually.
software. Okay, so everybody please go to the view, and one of the options is interface properties. Just click on there, a new windows is open. So just in the height you will give height is 14 and width is 14. So then you will get a good workspace where you can create your model. Standardized format is 14 and 14. Okay, here different other other properties are available. You can use the highlight, select, background, what color, whatever. By default, what we have, as in the beginning we do not have we are very new on this. So once you are very aware, you can do the practice and you can set different criteria, so that will help you at the time. But in the beginning, just whatever I am doing, just follow me for the beginners. And at your home, when you will spend more time, then you can change the interface properties and you can observe what is the changes is coming. Here suppose in the result, if you want display variables, labels, allows, all the, we will use all of these as our by default one. In later on you can customize it as per your requirement. Okay, for the time being it is okay. Just 14, height 14 and width 14, and whatever by default we have, we can use the same one. Then click on apply. Okay, we have created this. I don't know how long I can be with you. Suddenly my laptop may be shut down, so hopefully you will you should not worry. You have to wait until the electricity comes. So I shall knock in the group as well during the, so this is my information in advance. So what will we do now?
After clicking I apply, it was not responding.
Really?
Yes. Oh, it will respond, sir.
It is not responding. Everybody? Can you share your screen, brother, if I stop sharing? Brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Please share your screen, brother.
Although it is not showing any apply button, but works.
Huh?
Although the apply button is not showing in my case, it works. The size of the paper has been changed.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, please, brother, please share your screen.
Okay, I'm trying to, but I had issue with this my system.
Okay.
So I am also not able to open the AMOS software because of the T issues. Whatever you have sent by WhatsApp, but I am not able to open it.
If I change, hello,
okay,
sir.
Maybe
change
yes,
height
yes.
And if I change height and weight here,
yeah,
then actually it changes. Like I like 20.
Okay, just close this, brother. Brother, you are using the same software that I have given to you, or you have the another software?
I'm using the one that you gave to us.
Okay.
But do we have to do? Is there anything that we are indicating under the paper size?
The paper size is standard. If you use that one, it's okay. If you cannot, you can still do it. No problem. It is not 100% necessary for the practice.
Is that right? Is that right? You can go ahead, sir.
Okay.
I'll cut it.
Okay, now what will we do? This is called the latent variable. Draw unobserved, and this is observed variable. As in our data set, we have the maximum.
Sir, please,
Share your screen.
Alam sir, please share your screen, sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry, okay. Okay, now you are watching my screen. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just take this latent variable. Everybody, please. Though we can create the latent variable by using this hands like icon, but we will not do that one. We will take this one and we will do that one, because sometimes if we use this one, sometimes in different laptops or in different people may this might be a very small size. That's why I want to use this one first. So draw unobserved variable. You just click this one, and you see with the cursor a latent variable like icon is coming with the cursor. So click it like this and make the latent variable like this. Okay. Okay, again I am showing you. Then the left side, draw unobserved variable. Just click on there, single click, and you will see the observed variable and latent variable is coming with the just drag and drop, make it bigger like this, not too big or not too small, like this. Okay, and just another time you take this one, draw observed variables, take this one and click over the latent variable. When you take the cursor to the latent variable, it is highlighted by red color, right? So just click 7 times there, then the indicators will produce there. So just click on 7 times. Number 1, sorry. Sorry. This one, sorry, draw a latent variable or add a indicator, sorry. So this one, and click on there, here in the latent variable. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take it enjoyable like a child, it's very good. Don't take very headache or like this. So this is the indicator. 7 indicators has been created. Everybody have done this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
No, sir. Sir, I have PC.
Yes, we have been able to do it.
Okay. Now I have only very 10 or 15 minutes. So, however, another. I would like to take. I want to save my recording as well. So I am saving it first. Then. Okay. I have to take goodbye for until my electricity comes. So please wait, and please help each other how to create it. If those who has knowledge, a little knowledge about this, you can help others how to create it, and you can solve the issues. So I am stop sharing and giving permission for.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Okay, so I had IBM Statistics SPSS version 20, and I tried to install AMOS version 23 provided by you. So it is still opening at my end, and I can easily add the latent variable and other things. So will it create a problem on a longer run or not?
No. If it is 23, if you are using AMOS 23 and your SPSS is 21, no problem. It cannot be higher version than the AMOS. If it is the same, equal or the less version, then it will work, no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, I am taking break until the electricity comes. I shall knock you. However, okay.
So, sir, is it?
Thank you.
It's not
Thank you,
only
Doc.
23.
Okay,
I have 20. I have
Thank you.